So, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So, let's start unboxing my 2026 journal. I ordered it like a week ago, so let's go. This is from Supple Room. Let's unbox this. This is so cute. Just gonna use my paper cutter. I'm not really good with the talking videos. You all just set up क्यों रहा है मेरा?
Bruh.
Wait. This is so cute. Oh my god. Okay, gonna open it. So cute. Let's open it up. Let me read this letter out loud. A little note from our heart to yours. Your new planner was made with so much love, intention, and calm energy, and now it's in the sweetest hands. Okay. We hope your new planner becomes your happy place filled with dreams, checklists, and the sweetest little wins. Nice. Sending you hugs and gratitude. You're truly appreciated. Lots of love, Supple Room. Okay, I have never ordered from this website or this brand before. Let's see. Let's open her up. Okay, shall we? कैसे दिखाऊँ? ऐसे कर देती हूँ. या मुझे प्यार से खोलना नहीं आता है. Oh wow, this is. There's like free stickers and something here. Okay, let me see. First we have cute set of stickers. I guess this is like एक दो stickers है. मैं खोल के दिखा देती हूँ. Let me just open them. These are like the freebie sticker. Oh, there's 4 of them. This is so Pinteresty and so aesthetic. Cute. Next we have this holiday list. Okay, मतलब कितनी मतलब क्या holidays in 2026 में? Yeah. What am I gonna do with this? Anyways, there she is. She's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Like, this is the back, this is the front. You guys can see this, right? Very cute. So it says whispers of a new year. Yes, 2026. So like coquette and boy. Okay, I'm gonna open the first page. Okay, this planner belongs to. This is so cute. Like, first page is very cute. Yes. How am I going to show this? This video is so random. मतलब प्लानिंग ही नहीं है कुछ. कैसे दिखाऊंगी ये जर्नल? खोल दिया है बस. Okay, this is like this. Next we have a soft lens back, and then we have this girl. She kind of looks like me.
My God, bro. Oh, hell.
I'm gonna color this light. Also, coloring is such a therapy. Like, it's so therapeutic. We have 2026 calendar, and then we have stepping softly into 2026. This is like very coquette and like so cottage core, like so princessy. I like it. My word of the year, my top intentions for the year. This year I want more of. This year I want to let go of. All these cute little prompts. Okay, this is before starting the year. मतलब आपको क्या क्या अपने year में चाहिए. All the affirmations, all the your goals that you want to achieve this year, and basically your mindset for the whole year. So you do that before starting a journal. Next we have the vision board. Vision board is so pretty. Like, you can put some pictures down here, or pictures भी लगा सकते हो, or maybe you can write some stuff like I want to do this, I want to go out, like whatever it is that you want. Very cute. So cute. Like the font choice and the color combination. See, it's the goals. How do I get there? You write all the goals that you want, and then how are you gonna achieve all those goals? So that's really cute. Next we have small acts of kindness, like right here. Like मतलब करना क्या है इसमें? Send a thoughtful text to someone you care about. Oh, then we have a gentle check-in. What do I love most about myself right now? How can I create more balance in my life, what simple pleasures make me feel at ease. So like all these prompts they have. Okay, like छोटी सी journal prompts they रखे हैं for us to reflect on ourselves, which is very cute. Bucket list, obviously, like all the things that you want to do this year, we're gonna write it here. मतलब आपको कहीं travel करना है, you wanna like do something, achieve something, मतलब all your goals, your bucket list, like you wanna go to a place, you wanna whatever it is that you want. Then we have the mood tracker for all the months. Okay, we have a health tracker. Health tracker, it's interesting. Okay, it is for when you are sick, well, exhausted, energetic, low energy, pain and others. Okay, however you are feeling after, you know, you just इसे color coordinate कर सकते हैं हम, you know, sick को आप yellow से कर सकते हो, and then you put all the yellow points wherever you feel sick. Okay, cute. Then we have a period tracker. Okay, I always do this like manually in my journals, but like now I have a period tracker page. Cute. I'm gonna use it. Nice. Then we have books to read, series, movies to watch. I'm just gonna put it here. Then we have months at a glance. Months at a glance. It's right here. Very cute. This is okay. Next we have okay. अब आ चुका है हमारा like monthly planning and journaling. January like this. We have I think all the months like this. And यहाँ पे calendar होगा उस month का. And then a little क्या कहते हैं? Self-care checklist, things that you want to do this month for yourself or like anything. Okay, monthly prompts may we start off with the calendar, like this big ass calendar. Okay, then we have, what do we have? We have this habit tracker. If you're keeping like 1 to 3 habits a month. Budget tracker you have. Then we have setting the tone. Top priorities क्या होंगी आपके उस month की. Monthly intentions, how you want the month to look like. Gratitude, things that you get grateful for this month, and doodle corner, like do whatever you want. Then we have quote of the month. This is very cute. I really like all the prompts that they have. It's very cute. It's very me. Then we have every single day here. Like okay, right, you can write about your day. You can put a picture or like anything that you like. Then we have monthly reflections. Monthly reflections may we have what felt meaningful to me this month, what did I learn about myself this month, what challenged me and how did I handle it with grace. Okay, very nice prompt. How did I care for my mind, body and soul, like all the self-care that you did this month, you can write it here. What am I ready to release or let go of? How would I rate this month overall? Like there's 5 stars, so you can rate it like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From my mind to the page. So आप यहाँ पे कुछ लिख सकते हो. Any thoughts that you have regarding this month, and like anything that you want to improve or you felt like it was nice. Recently मैं भी अपना दिसंबर वाला journaling कर रही थी recently in my journal, and मैं देखती हूँ कि दिसंबर के पीछे भी बहुत सारे prompts हैं, and I'm like ये तो beginning of the year में करना चाहिए था, ये पीछे क्यों है? So yeah, it is time I check the end pages. इस बार check करूँगी. Okay, end of year reflection. Okay, this is the end of year. Describe the year in 3 words. My top accomplishments, highlights, setbacks. What lessons did this year teach me? Obviously. What am I most grateful for this year? How have I grown as a person? बहुत सारे prompts हैं. Very cute. I think we have reached the end almost. List 10 things that made you smile this year. Wow, cute. Password tracker. Oh, why do you think मैं अपना password यहाँ पे लिखूँगी? We have this password tracker यहाँ पे. अगर आप password अपने भूल जाते हो तो एक जगह लिख लो. And we have reached the end. Last में कुछ खाली pages हैं. I don't know why. Last में है thank you for spending your year with our pretty little life planner. Cute. So this was the planner from Supple Room. I'll put the link down below in the description box, and it costed me 1150 rupees, which I think is pretty nice, pretty affordable. Okay, not affordable, but pretty like decent price for so many things and like such a great journal. So yeah, I'll start using it this coming year, and we'll see. And comment down your favorite part from the video or anything that you wanna know about this journal or anything. So comment down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.